Hey guys, it's Riley. I'm creating a quick video tutorial for everybody. In this video, my goal is to teach you guys how to use the scheduled activities channel in the bot Charlemagne. Charlemagne is a Discord bot who responds to slash commands. Slash commands are something that pop up when you type in the slash key. Our server has a few bots. The bot that we need to use is Charlemagne. Charlemagne is a Destiny specific bot that helps us with a lot of things. In order to create an event, the command for Charlemagne is /event create. Now, after you type in /event create, you will hit enter, right? Type in /event create, enter, right? Now, once you press enter, it'll give you a prompt to select an activity. To do that, you will click activity. Once you click activity, it will give you a little box to fill in, and it will have a bunch of different prompts available. If you don't see it on here, you could begin to type it in and more prompts will show up. Let's say that you want to play competitive, right? I don't see competitive on this list. So I type in competitive, or begin to type it in, right? It'll pop up anything that matches what you've typed in so far. So I choose competitive. And then you press enter, guys. Now, once you press enter, a little mini menu will pop up. You have to choose a start time for your activity. So the first thing that you want to do is choose a date. Would you like it to be today? Then you don't have to choose a date. You could just leave it blank. Would you like it to be on a day that is not today, such as tomorrow or next week, next month, whenever you'd like to create this event? What you're going to want to do is pick a day. Let's say that I'm scheduling for Sunday, November 17th. What I'm going to do is type in 11/17, November 17th. Now I do a space. 6 p.m. is a great time for most people, and 6 p.m. Pacific time is 3 hours behind Eastern time. 9 p.m. is a great time for people on the East Coast to have availability. 6 p.m. Pacific time or 9 p.m. Eastern time is a great time to schedule activities. You can, of course, choose whatever time you want. And the cool thing about Charlemagne is that if I input 6 p.m. PT, because I live in Pacific time, right? Charlemagne will automatically adjust the displayed time to whichever time zone you are in. So if I type in 6 p.m. PT and you live on Eastern time, Charlemagne will say that it's a 9 o'clock event. Charlemagne does this for you. If I'd like to change the title of my activity, I can do that here. Next thing you want to do is type in some basic info. Any useful information that you could give to people about what you would like to accomplish during this activity would be really helpful, and it will give people a better idea what they're getting themselves into when they sign up for the event. For this event, I will say chill PvP. Whoever wants to join can now click the green plus icon, and now they're in the event. Something comes up and they can't attend, press the red. If you don't know if you're going to be able to make it, or maybe you would like to take part in the event but don't really care if you get to run it or not because there's a lot of people attending, you can press the question mark. That'll put you on as an alternate. An alternate will be called upon to fill a spot in an activity if someone who signed up does not join, or if the event never fully filled up. We'll be called to fill a spot if somebody who's on the list doesn't attend, or if there's not a full roster at the beginning. So if 2 out of 3 people have joined the activity and there's one alternate, the alternate would then be expected to show up. I'm about to give you guys a pro tip. If you go #event create, instead of clicking activity, what you can do is press backspace. Now you press enter here and it pulls up a larger menu, and this menu allows you to choose start time just like before. Remember, you put in date and then time. Activity, you get to name the activity and you get to choose how many guardians can attend. Now when you pull up this menu to choose everything about your activity, if you'd like to quickly get this done and you're not really comfortable with Charlemagne's formatting, I would really not do this, guys. If you are comfortable with Charlemagne and you're confident that you'll be able to successfully create an activity, go ahead and try this. But I would recommend using the activity prompt when you can. The prompt exists for a reason. It makes it a lot easier for people to schedule activities. Now, let's say that I want to farm for Zali's Bane. King's Fall is in rotation. Wait, let me show you. King's Fall is the farmable raid this week, and would you look at that? Zali's Bane is one of the best and most popular weapons in the PvE sandbox. You can farm it on the Daughter's encounter of Oryx. Let's say that you would like to just farm one encounter of this raid with a group. What you're going to want to do is title the activity. I would title this King's Fall 4th Encounter Farm Daughters. Daughters is the name of the encounter. What would I like to type in here? Time to farm for that Zali's Bane. Oh yeah, obviously a raid has 6 people, so I have to put max guardians 6. So for the start time, if I want to do this on Sunday, November 17th, what I would then do is type in 11/17, month / day space, and now you choose the time. I will double check that all the boxes are filled out to my liking. Title looks good. Max Guardians is correct. Boom. Now all you got to do is hit submit, and you've created your activity. Now what if you'd like to edit your activity? Now what happens if there's a typo in your activity? Or maybe you messed up creating the activity altogether and you would like to delete it. What you're going to want to do is click on the cogwheel, the little settings, and a bunch of little boxes pop up. If you'd like to edit it, you click edit, and this menu comes back up. You can edit it to your liking. If you would like to delete it, right there, you click the red delete button, and now it's gone. Alright guys, hopefully this helps.